Hi, and welcome to another lesson. In this section, we'll be talking about how to create a WordPress page on your dashboard. So, just like how we have done on our blog post, for our blog post, how you can create it three different ways. For the page, it's also the same thing. You can come to this place and you click on this page. You'll be able to create the WordPress page. You can also come here, click it, and click on add new. So I'm going to be clicking on this page. So the aim of this lesson, once again, is just for us to create a simple WordPress page and to view it. So after you have clicked on these pages, there are sample page and this private policy. This is under draft, so meaning it's not going to be seen fully. So this sample page, I'll just recommend that you delete it. Just click on the trash. After clicking on trash, you notice it comes to the dustbin. So it's also good that if you're sure that you're not going to recover it back, it's also good that you go to the trash and delete it. But if you don't mind, you can just leave it in the trash. But sometimes I like to clean up the the junks around on my sites because it makes it more cleaner and more faster for me. So you click on this, or you can click on this new page. You can also click on this. I will choose to click this one this time. Click on add new. Once you click on add new, let's see what you will see. Exactly, you'll be asked to create a title. Remember, I showed you different titles here. So this is home, services, free consultation, pay now, talk to me. But in this place, I'm going to be making the title as services. You can say services or home page, whatever. I think I would like to use about us. Let me use about us. So this page title is about us. I'm sure you are familiar with different things here, so you can decide to do a lot of things here. But for now, I'm just going to create the page. We're not going to be doing any design now. Later on in this class, I'll be showing you how to do the WordPress design, how to use Elementor to create a more beautiful about us page. So let me quickly look at this right hand section where you see this URL slot. What is about us mean is that if you are to visit this site, like this one says mralabi.com/contact. So in this case, or mralabi.com/about. In this case, I don't want everything to be localhost/quora/about us. I just want it to be about. So in this URL slot, I'm just going to clean that out and I'll be left with about. You're going to see. So as you can see here, we're seeing the link as quora/about. What if you leave the us? I see how long it is, so I just want it to be short and straight to the point. So that's called the link. Then we have the featured image. You can choose to use the featured image. You can pick it up. Make sure you use something related to the about. If you don't have anything related to about, you can just leave it. So that's it. You can publish the site immediately. So since it's not waiting for any review or whatever. So that's it. Just click on publish. Congratulations, you have created your first WordPress page. You can view what you have built here, what you have designed or what you have created. So this is just it, a very plain site, nothing else about us, and there is nothing on the page. So if you also want to edit the page, you click here and you'll be able to edit the page. This is the very simple guide on how to create a WordPress page. That's just one. What about if you want to create contact us? Just click on this W here. Once you click on W, what do? You click on add new. You can choose to use this one. Let us use this one this time. So we have about us. Let us create contact page. So we are creating our second page. We can call this one contact us. So you can come to this log and just make it contact instead of contact us, so it won't be so long. Is there any other thing you need to do right now? There is nothing else for now. And click on publish. Congratulations, you have created your second WordPress page. So let's see how many pages we have created right now. We have created two pages, the about us and contact us. Let us view how it looks like on the front end. Remember, this is the front end. As you can see, there is nothing there and it's just plain. So let's go to our back end and let us go to pages. So how many pages have we created so far? And I hope you understood how I created these pages. Straight to the point and very simple. We have about us and contact us. I'll see you in the next class.